Hi, I'm Aaron Lippert. I'm a truck sales consultant with Zips AW Direct. Been with them for about 4 years now. I'm out of our Taylor, Michigan location.
My name is John Poole. I'm also here with Zips Truck Equipment in Michigan. Been here for 13 years as a sales consultant as well.
And we're here today to talk to you about the SpaceKap WILD, a perfect roadside solution for your ever-growing fleet needs. We're going to walk down the side of the vehicle.
So what we have here is a 2024 GMC. This is a 2500 series cabin chassis. That is ideal for this type of setup. It doesn't have to be a GMC, obviously. It could be a Ram, it could be a Ford, it could be whatever your preference is in that regard. The one thing with the SpaceKap is it is a universal piece, so it can be transferred from one body to another. We're going to start back here on the passenger side of the truck. Here you will see the Zips customizable storage pieces in place. Any options that you have with your impacts and things like that, obviously these pieces are all able to be relocated to whatever works for the specific tools that you see on this side of the truck. Also, we have the onboard air delivery system with the plugs right here, jump packs, impact tools, charging ports, and obviously some shop towels up there in the front corner. This is what's on this side of the truck.
In the back end of the SpaceKap, we have the decked pull-out deck. The REV Charge All by SafeAll charges every EV on the market, including Teslas. The 4-pack of GUNI Spare tires, perfect for every roadside need when it comes to tires. We have your SureCan Gas Cans and mounts, your trash cans, your onboard air comes right out the back end. And we also have the SafeAll dial, conveniently placed for you to be able to change your side needs on the side of the road. Then if we come over here, we have your collapsible triangle kit, perfect for easy storage. And it mounts right here. And everything fits tight. Super easy to slide in the deck tray. And then of course up top the SafeAll Traffic Commander, assisting you in keeping everything safe on the side of the road with perfect words and beacon lighting.
Bring it around to the driver's side of the truck now. Again, you see a shelf system on this side, which is accessible. This is standing here alongside the truck, as well as some additional storage capability. Here you'll find things like a shovel, sledgehammers, brooms, and jacks as well. Important thing to note is there is lighting inside each one of these, so you can work in the middle of the night, during the day, or if weather like we're having today here, this beautiful sunshiny day.
Perfect Detroit, Michigan. Exactly, absolutely. Well, we'd like to thank you for your time and watching our video about the SpaceKap WILD. And that's a wrap.